What's up guys, my name is Josh Yergi. I built my company SmartRoof from zero to over $100 million in revenue, and I've helped hundreds of salespeople earn multiple six figures a year, and they have closed over $500 million in sales. My whole mission is to help people achieve financial freedom through sales. And there's a lot of advice I can give you on sales, from closing techniques to scripts to how to target, what products to sell, etc. But without the proper foundation, you will almost always fail. And the number one reason why I see salespeople fail and stay broke even once they're in a great sales job is two things. Number one, their standards are just too low. Whatever their living expenses are, they find a way to cover those, and that's where their ambitions end. Their whole goal is to pay their bills. And let's say that their monthly living expenses are $5,000 a month, and every single month they find a way to earn $5,000 and pay their bills. And if I went to those people and I said, hey, the person that you love most in the world has a terminal illness, and if they don't have a $40,000 surgery in 3 months, they're going to die. Every single one of those people that up until that point, they could only find a way to earn $5,000 a month to pay their bills, and they would tell you, oh, you know, it's just too hard, I can't get ahead, etc., etc. Every single one of them would find a way to earn more money and pay that $40,000 bill. 100% success rate. And the only thing that changed is their mindset. The market didn't change, the product didn't change, the company didn't change. Nothing changed, except that now they have to. Why do you have to get to a point in life where it's so urgent and that you aren't willing to change your behaviors unless someone's life is on the line? What about your life? What about time that's ticking by? Why aren't you setting a new higher standard for yourself? Because it doesn't require being forced to make an extra $10, $15, $20,000 a month. All you have to do is say, this is my new standard. $20,000 a month, I will not accept anything less. And the second that you do that, you will find a way to hit it. If it is a must, if it is a standard, if you won't accept anything less, you will find a way to do it. And then the second place where I see people fail and stay broke is they do have that mindset. They do break through and they say, this is anything less than this is unacceptable, but their lifestyle creeps up with their income. So they go from earning $5,000 a month to earning $20,000 a month, and they buy a new car. They buy a house, or they get a nicer apartment. They buy designer clothes, etc. And they're still broke. They're still living paycheck to paycheck, even though they're earning more money. And the way to break through and really create financial freedom for yourself is to say, I have a standard. It is $20,000 a month. My lifestyle will not creep when I start earning that amount, and anything less than $20,000 a month is just not acceptable. I must find a way to earn that amount of money, and all of the excess money that I'm going to earn over my daily living expenses, I'm going to take that and I'm going to invest it for my future and set myself up for life. And if you do this, you cannot help but be financially successful and create true long-term wealth for yourself. It requires a great amount of discipline and a very different mindset than most people have. But if you can do it, it is complete and total freedom. I hope this helps. Again, wherever you are in your journey, I've been there. Remember, stay focused, stay disciplined, and let's get to work.